Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and today I'm going to show you how I made this very beautiful cape. It is a very simple pattern. For this I've just used a mesh stitch which I added some beads, and I love the way the edges is turning out to be, so I decided to make a little video to share this with you. This is a very simple project and does not take too much of yarn. For this I use crochet jyoti thread, which I got it for 60 rupees or something like this. So just one uh, roll was sufficient to make this cape, and let's begin to see how this very simple edges that I made, and you can use it for anything that you like. These are all the flowers, and they're just with 3 petals. What I do is just chain 7. Then I go in the second last loop and I make a slip stitch and chain 3 and make 5 double crochets. This is the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 3 and insert a crochet hook in the center and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert a crochet hook in the center of the loop and make a double crochet. Repeat it, making 5 double crochets. Now chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now once again chain 3 and make 5 double crochet. Now chain 3, insert your crochet hook in the center and make a slip stitch. In this way you once again chain 7, go to the next loop beside the bead and make a slip stitch, chain 7 once again, insert a crochet hook in the second last chain, chain 3 Yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the loop, make 5 double crochets, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 3. That's it. You have to just keep repeating the process and making these very few beautiful flowers. You can make 4 petals or 5 petals, but for that you will have to increase the size of the loop. Maybe you have to um, chain 8, 9 or 10 depending on the petals that you require for your pattern. This is a repetitive pattern, and you have to just keep repeating until you come to the end. And I hope you enjoyed this very simple but beautiful pattern. And before I end this tutorial, I would love to take the opportunity to thank all my subscribers for supporting me so far. And to the ones who have not subscribed yet and are watching me right now, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means a lot to me to continue with my passion to share this very beautiful creative art, crocheting. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.